Hi friends, I'm Zafar and this time with my latest tutorial that is about one of the most interesting and very much effective topic, array. So array is also one kind of data type. We use array in our program to take more than one value under a single variable, which are in same data type. By this example, you can more clarify the main idea of array. Here you can see this is the structure of an one-dimensional array. This is the declaration part of an one-dimensional array. Here you can see this is the array name and this is the array size. This basically means the maximum element or value that we can take under this called x and whatever we like to set. So this is the declaration of one-dimensional array, and the data type must be same. If we want to take integer type, then we only can take integer type data under this variable. If we add character, then this data must be in character form. So here is another one, and this is the declaration and initialization of an two-dimensional array. But before we go to the detail, firstly I would like to say about one-dimensional array and about this program in detail. By this program we will take some data under this variable and then we will print the same data or values by this step, and by this looping process we can take the value for input, but if we want, then we can initialize it here also, like following this syntax. Like this we can take value for initialization, but we can't take values more than 10 here. The reason is that we can declare the maximum element that we can take, that is 10. If we take 100, then we can't take value more than 100, but we can take less than 10 here following this syntax here, and this will be the initialization of an one-dimensional array, and this is the declaration also. By following this syntax we can initialize it here also, but by this program we will take the value by inputting from our keyboard. So this syntax will be like this, and if we build and run this program and take the values like this and enter, then you can see it prints the value like this. So if we want to do some operation with these values we can, but here we only print out this value. So now we will go to the second one, that is the declaration of an two-dimensional array, and here you can also see this is the array name and this is the array size. Here you can see the true part. So by the two-dimensional array we can take value both for row and column. You can see the two size declared here. This is the row size, this is the column element size. You can take value both for row and column. As we can see in our matrix, there remains value both for column and row. So this is the row part and this will be the column part. So by this we can take value both for row and column. So if you have a clear idea about the matrix term, then it will be more easy to you. Here first size will be the size of row and second size will be the size for column. Here you can see we declared it and initialized it also. This process also, here we can also declare 3 row or 2 column also, and whatever we like to add. Then if we add like this 3 or 2 can, then the structure will be like this, and here we can initialized it like this. So this is main structure of declaring a two-dimensional array. We must have to follow this initialization like this, following this syntax of declaring a two-dimensional array. If we don't want to initialize it here, we can take a value by using scanf function like the previous one, but we have to add more than one loop under this. If we declare two-dimensional array, so we have add another loop for inputting the column value also, like j is equal 0, j less than 10, and j plus. This will take the column value, and here using scanf block we can also take value for column also for this program. But if we don't want to input by scanf, so you can initialize it here. If we build and run this program, here you can see we only print out two matrix here by using array. This is the main theme of two-dimensional array. Here is the process of printing the value of an array in reverse process. Declaration part is same with our previous program. So by this we can take value, and here by this we will print out our values, but this time in reverse process. If we build and run and take value for this program like this and enter, here you can see it prints our values in reverse process. So this is the main structure of array and how we can use array in our program in a effective way. So that was about the main idea of array. In our next tutorial we will know about string, and if you have more question about array you can share through comment and I will definitely try to clarify. So for next tutorial, stay tuned with my channel by subscribing it and also like and share. Thanks.